We are now at Wong Tai Sin Temple, the most iconic place of worship in Hong Kong. The local tradition of worshipping deities has deep roots. The Wong Tai Sin belief originated from Zhejiang and spread to Hong Kong in the late Qing dynasty. It blends Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism, focused on helping others and granting blessings. In the old days, many Hong Kong people worked as fishermen or small traders. Their lives were full of uncertainty, so that praying became a spiritual comfort for safety, fortune, and family protection. Today, visiting temples and making rituals is still part of daily life of many Hong Kong people. It is both cultural heritage and inner peace.
年紀唔同，年紀大又唔同，後世啊，即係比如你哋咁咧，通常咧就問學業啊，
大部分都係問學業
啊咁樣就問。
咁通常嚟呢度解簽嘅年齡比較多係邊啲啊？
咁啊就冇規律嘅。
比較多咧？
比較多咧就都係中年嘅人多啲嘅。
中年多啲。仲有想問，點解你會做呢行？
咁啊唔同嘅，點解以前即係留落嚟嘅，即係而家啲師傅啊，即係叫我做呢行。
你做咗幾多年啊？
做咗好多年咯。
係完全係水嚟呢度做。
冇錯。